Hello, this is Grant Bynum, and I'm with Uptown 101. That's my company, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, we are at the really cool game lounge at the Peregrine Apartments in Las Colinas. So this is actually in the basement area. It's really fun. So I had to show this off. Very, very cool. You can see there's a pool area here too, pool area, but also you've got a lot of other stuff to do like foosball. You've got darts. Okay, darts are cool. You've got darts. And then you've got a fun area just to kind of relax. And this is a kind of a fake, fake fire, but it's really cool. And other areas here, you can play some cards or just kind of relax. This is next to the courtyard. We saw this outside in the previous video. It's really fun, but it's a big area and it's got great music, playing. You're gonna have a lot of fun in this game lounge. Hey, if you have questions anytime about anything you're seeing, send me a text. You can use the number below. You can just say, hey, Grant, how you doing? I'd love to hear from you. It'd be fun. Otherwise, you can also say, hey, I'm ready for a tour. Why don't you set up a FaceTime, Zoom, or Microsoft Teams tour, or maybe a live tour. We can set that up also. By the way, it's 100% free service to work with us. We are objective. We're going to find you the best Dallas apartment, wherever it is. And it's always 100% free, and we'll always give you the best deal possible. Okay, we're going to go now and see some apartments. Let's go do that right now.